Hey 8th graders, on the last slide, slide 6, you guys made a prediction and you guys kind of, if you had something laying around a house, you got to touch something that was metal and something that was not metal, like a piece of plastic or a book. This is what we did in class. So we have this solid metal plate and then we have this solid plastic plate. And they've both been sitting in my classroom. And this kind of goes to show you guys whether or not you can actually feel temperature. Okay, so if I touch this plastic plate, it just kind of feels lukewarm, you know, kind of room temperature. But if I touch this metal plate, it feels really cold. Okay, but again, they've been sitting in my classroom, both in the same environment. So why does this one feel cold, but this one feel average? And I can even go a step further to use a heat gun. And I'm going to point it at this. It might be a little bit hard for you guys to see. We're at about 20.5 right there. And then my plastic one, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to point it and shoot. You guys will see we're about the same, 20.5, 20.6 in that area. Okay, so it says they're both the same temperature. Okay, so you guys should have made a prediction. You guys should have felt something and kind of told me what you guys felt was warmer and what you guys felt was colder. But can we actually feel temperature? Did I actually feel 20.7 on this? Okay, with that being said, this is your next little demonstration for you guys. You guys were to make a prediction as to which would melt an ice cube faster. So obviously we both know that these two plates are the same temperature, but according to how I felt or how you guys may have felt, if you felt something metal versus something plastic, this one feels colder. So which one do you think will melt an ice cube faster? Do you think the metal one, the plastic one, or do you think they'll both melt them at the same time? Okay, so once you're done with your prediction, you guys can pause if you need. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the test. So I have 2 ice cubes, both about the same size, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and place them on the plates, and you guys will get to see if they melt, one melts faster than the other, or if they melt at the same time. Remember, the one on the left is your guys' metal plate, and this one on the right is your plastic plate. Plastic, metal. Okay, so go ahead and record your results and then make a prediction as to why you guys feel this happened.